stepping up, number 9, Corey Brand.
Were you drinking on the plane? Would you please slow down? What are you talking about, Blue?
Corey Brand DUI caught on tape, over 1 million hits.
Touch it now! Doc, is he all right?
You've been suspended for 8 weeks.
Was there alcohol involved in the accident?
Corey, have you been suspended by the Grizzlies?
The Grizzlies want proof that you're attending a 12-step program.
12-step?
They want you out of sight until you've completed 8 weeks.
Mr. Brand has kindly offered to stay here in Okmulgee and take his brother's place as head coach of the kids' baseball team.
Emma Johnson.
I'm actually one of the Bulldogs' other coaches.
Come check this out. Your mom and Corey Brand were the best couple in high school.
You're pretty much just a wild child fell into them.
But I've changed, Emma.
Clearly.
I found you a 12-step program.
Hey, listen, I think I landed in the wrong room over there.
You're in the right room. Just takes a while to know it sometimes.
This is how it changes. This is where it changes.
People don't change.
Walk away. That's what you do best, Corey.
You had no right.
What do you know about my life? Huh?
You will not say no.
No, I'm staying. Bring it in! Bring it in! Where's Tyler? Tyler! That's what I'm talking about. You're a great mom.
To this love I come to know.
Tyler, nothing great happens when you hold back.